Now we are moving on to another session, that is SAP FICO. SAP means Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. It's an ERP. What is ERP? E for Enterprise, R for Resources and P for Planning. Enterprise Resources Planning. So we have already learned in accounting that a company is a legal entity, right? But as per SAP, company is a business organization for which separate financials are drawn as per commercial and legal requirements of the country. Okay, so it is considered as a business organization and for which we will be drawing separate financials, and it is drawn as per the commercial and legal requirements of the country in which the business is operating. Understood? Now we want to learn the different accounting systems that are followed in different countries. So in India we are following IAS, that is Indian Accounting Standards. In US GAAP, UK GAAP, like that it goes on. GAAP means generally accepted accounting principles. So in India they will follow IAS, in UK they will be following UK GAAP, US GAAP, like that. But certain countries they will be having companies internationally. That means the companies will be having branches internationally. Okay. So in that case we cannot follow these accounting systems. So they will follow International Financial Reporting or Regulatory System, that is IFRS. Okay. Then here in SAP, company is called as a client. Company is the supreme place of configuration. Any configuration changes done at company level will be by default applicable to the entire organization. And in the next session, we will learn the different steps in the configuration of SAP. Okay, we will learn each step in detail in the coming classes.